Get paid watching funny videos? What's going on everyone, Nathan here, and you heard me right. I'm going to show you in today's video here on how you can get paid by simply watching funny videos. And we're talking about free PayPal money, of course. To find out all the details, all you have to do is stay with me. But first, if you're new around, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel, because I upload videos on a consistent basis about how to make money online, work from home opportunities, entrepreneurship and much more. And make sure you also hit the notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. Alright, so as I said, I'm going to show you how you can get paid by simply watching funny videos here. It's going to be a quick one today, so make sure you stick till the end, don't skip on anything. I'm going to drop in some extra bonus app that you can earn even more by watching. So stick till the end here to find out all the details. If you're interested also in making a full-time passive income online, build a real sustainable online business, I do have my #1 recommendation right here below that I highly suggest you to have a closer look at when we finish this video, of course. But for now, let's see how we can get paid by simply watching funny videos. Let's go! Alright, so basically we are going to download an app here, okay, and this is ClipClaps. So the good news here is that it is available on both platforms, because I think they got started with iOS and they have it available actually on both platforms here. So let's have a look first at the desktop a little bit here. You can see here that basically they say that your total browsing time has exceeded 90% of Americans, saves you time and select the most valuable information for you, get the latest breaking news or funny videos every day, and your total browsing time will be recorded. Browse contents and build your aquarium. So it's a funny way actually on how you can earn, instead of saying points, basically I think that they combine this feed module with the game there. So if I scroll down a little bit, you can see this is another screenshot here. So you get cash reward by browsing content and finishing tasks here. Also they do have some more things that you can do, and you withdraw the cash via PayPal anywhere with a tap, of course. Really simple and straightforward. You earn clap coins here, you cash out via PayPal, or if you want it to your cards there. And you can see here that new contents pop up continuously based on your preference. Okay, so they collect the latest trending news and videos all over the world. On our unique algorithm, we will send your favorite contents to your feed here. Here are people, you can see that you see here they browsed 80 minutes today, build 72 minutes and so on there. So this is some user feedbacks, partnerships, and let's have a quick look inside Google Play here, okay? So you see here, fill your day with laughter with our viral videos and stay entertained with our in-app games. And all of this without ad interruptions that we all know and hate. So no ads here, okay, and you get paid, of course. So they pay you for the time, no ads, videos that will make you laugh, tears of joy guaranteed there. And basically we see here we have surprises and rewards for you every single day, so there is more opportunities to earn more money here actually also. So there are some reviews here, but you can have a look at the details for yourself actually. Now I went into Facebook, I found out about ClipClaps here, so I'm just going to play a quick little video so you can get an idea of what kind of funny videos you're going to watch here, okay? Okay, so this could be one video, for example, okay? And let's see here, when you win the lottery. Okay, so basically really simple and straightforward, and I checked out also the reviews here, has some pretty good reputation actually. I think the best would be to just download and get started to see if you like this kind of app. There is nothing more or less to say about this. It works pretty good, so as I said earlier, has some good reviews also. what you need to do is just download, get started to watch the videos there and earn some extra money, because that is what this is all about actually. Now, if you are interested in this kind of activities, there is also app trailers. What you do is you watch actually video trailers of apps, celebrity gossips and so on there, and you can redeem with PayPal Cash, Amazon gift codes and more. So have a look at this also, apptrailers.com, and there is also Wiggle if you are interested in watching videos and ads and stuff like that. So you get rewarded for interacting with all of the favorite entertainments here, and you earn perk points here. So have a look at this also. I just wanted to mention so you don't get stuck with just one app and opportunity here. If I remember right, they should have a referral program here also, but have a look at the details for yourself when you log in here, okay? So as I said, it's going to be a quick one. This is a great opportunity to just earn some extra cash there, okay? It's not something that you can build a real sustainable online business with. If you're interested in that, making a full-time passive income online, build a real sustainable online business, I do have my #1 recommendation right here below that I highly suggest you to have a closer look at. If you got some value here, I really appreciate if you smash that like button below. Make sure to subscribe to both my YouTube channels that you're going to see at my end screen here. Make sure you hit the notification bell also so you can be notified every time I upload a new video, and you're going to find another Make Money Online video recommendation also. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.